Hey guys, PA Solis here. Today we're going to be talking about vitamin and mineral deficiencies. Did you know that when you get frequent headaches or feeling tired all the time, it could be your body telling you that you're missing a certain vitamin or mineral? So, today we're going to talk about the certain signs or symptoms that your body may be giving you to tell you that something's missing. And don't worry, we're also going to cover the types of foods you can eat to replenish these foods and to get you feeling your best again. Let's get started. So, what's the difference between a mineral and a vitamin? So, a vitamin, it's something your body needs to help you stay healthy, but your body doesn't really produce vitamins, except with the exception of vitamin D, which you can get from sunlight, and vitamin K, which you can get from some bacteria in your gut. But for the most part, vitamins come from food sources. On the other hand, a mineral is a substance found in the earth, like rock, soil, or water. Your body needs minerals like calcium and iron to help it function properly, but you need to have food as your source because your body can't make these. So we'll be going through each vitamin and we'll keep it short. We'll just give you a couple of symptoms that you might experience when you're deficient in these minerals or vitamins, and also what foods you can eat to replenish. At the end, stay tuned because I am going to show you two charts that I've created. I've also shared them in the shorts, so you can use them as a quick reference. So, first deficiency is vitamin D. With vitamin D, you may experience fatigue, muscle weakness, mood swings, and also bone pain. To replenish vitamin D, you could take eggs, salmon, and milk. Next, we have magnesium deficiency. This is a mineral, and with this deficiency, you might experience muscle cramps, muscle weakness, numbing and tingling, and also anxiety. Some foods you can use to replenish magnesium are avocado, nuts, and whole grains. Whole grains being like whole wheat bread, whole wheat pasta, oats, brown rice. Next is biotin. With this vitamin deficiency, you might see hair loss, brittle nails. You sometimes get like a red, scaly rash around your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. To replenish this, you want to eat egg yolks, especially when they're cooked. Red meat, organ meats are better, like liver, and you can eat sweet potato, salmon, and nuts and seeds. So, next is vitamin C. With this deficiency, you might feel frequent infections, you might get fatigue and weakness and dry skin. To help replenish vitamin C, you can use citrus fruit like lemon or oranges, kiwi fruit, and also strawberries. With vitamin A deficiency, you might experience symptoms like night blindness, dry hair, dry skin, even dry eyes, a weakened immune system, and poor wound healing. What you can eat to replenish this could be sweet potatoes, spinach, and carrots. For vitamin E deficiency, you might experience some muscle weakness, some vision changes, and also some numbing and tingling. What you can eat to help replenish this could be avocados, almonds, and spinach. Another mineral I have listed here is iron. With iron deficiency, you might experience like fatigue, tiredness, pale skin. You might feel that you're lightheaded or that you're short of breath. To replenish iron, you can eat meat. If you're not a meat eater, you could eat tofu. Leafy greens is also good, like spinach, and you can also eat lentils. Next, we have vitamin B12. B12 can be a little tricky because it can affect multiple systems. This one can cause numbness and tingling. It can cause brain fog. It can cause gastrointestinal system problems like nausea and loss of appetite. It can cause soreness of the mouth or the tongue. To replenish B12, you can eat dairy, you can eat eggs or fish. So next we have zinc. With this mineral deficiency, you might experience hair loss, you might experience impaired smell or taste, and you may experience difficulty with wound healing. To replenish this, seafood is good, oysters, big source, but also shelled fish like lobster or crab or shrimp is also a good source. Red meats are a good source, and lentils and peas as well. So last but not least, we have the calcium deficiency. Here you might see muscle cramps in the back or in your legs. You might see brittle nails. You might see dry skin. If severe enough, you could get irregular heart rate. You can get seizures, mental health issues. To replenish calcium, we have milk, right? So you have cow milk, you have goat milk. If you need more of a plant based option, there's soy milk, there's rice milk, there's almond milk. And then back to dairy, you have cheese and yogurt as good options. So finally, we have arrived to the two charts I was mentioning at the beginning of the video. So I have put these in shorts so you can save them and use them as a quick reference. One of them discusses the vitamin deficiencies and the symptoms you might have with that certain deficiency. And the other one talks about the foods that can help you replenish those deficiencies. We've come to the end of the video. So now you know how important minerals and vitamins are for your health. Make sure you're getting enough of them daily. If you think you're particularly short on a certain vitamin or mineral, check with your mental health provider because some of these can be checked by way of lab work. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something. And subscribe, follow, like, so you can get more health tips and stay healthy. See you in the next video. Bye.